Hey, my name is Erin Stone. I'm in the CIP group in Public Works, and I'm here to talk about new and updated infrastructure layers on the City Infrastructure Viewer. These layers are going to include current and future projects. First slide here shows a link on how to get into the City Infrastructure Viewer. If you have issues or don't have access to get into this, please let your City Project Manager know and we'll be happy to help get you set up. The first thing we're going to do is you need to go down here to the Layers tab at the bottom. There you'll see a pop-up for the layer list. You need to scroll down to where you find public_works and go ahead and turn on that checkbox. What we're going to do is a little arrow next to Public Works layer. We're going to click on that and it'll open up a couple more layers, including PFP projects, which is a layer including all the Paving for Progress projects, as well as the project tracking layer. Go ahead and open up the project tracking layer and you're going to see a couple more layers within this. Go ahead and turn on some of those layers and I'll explain here. The completed projects are completed CIP projects. Under construction projects are projects that are going to be constructed within this construction year. Proposed projects are projects that are anywhere from 3 to 5 years out at this point. Street division project locations are projects which are being designed by Paving for Progress, but our street division will be constructing them. And then the 4 layers which have project limits within their title are boundaries or buffer zones around the 4 layers above here. So basically those buffer zones are just to tell us where these projects could have some work within it. Go ahead and click on one of the colored lines that you see, and it should bring up a little box with some information. So for example, this box picked up something that was a city project of 304043-02. So some more information you can find when you use this scroll button to scroll down are city project number, the project name, a type of project, the city project manager, if this project were under construction or about to be under construction, the project inspector and the project admin would be filled out. It also includes a general scope of this project as well as a proposed construction year. Only the CIP projects will have this amount of information, but if you want to get some more information for some of the PFP projects, we have this new dashboard with Paving for Progress projects. I went ahead and included the link and feel free to utilize that. So why are we updating these layers and adding these layers? So a lot of these are going to be used for our city right-of-way permit review process. So our right-of-way technicians will go ahead when there's a permit that's placed and we'll either double check that it's on a city project or will affect a city project at any time, and we'll then coordinate with the internal city project manager to make sure the project manager is aware of it and make sure that everybody here knows what's going on, whether it be a driveway permit or a utility permit or anything in between. Another good use is for private utility planning. If a private utility is planning on putting in a large infrastructure within the next couple of years, this will be a helpful tool for them to go in and find where the city may be working in the next couple of years and maybe either reroute or try to help coordinate early on with that city project manager. Another one would be contractor project planning. For the same reasons as utility, just see what's coming up next. Maybe it would be helpful for bidding schedules or something like that. If you have any questions, my information there is below. And again, I hope this is helpful. Thank you.